Hey everyone, Pat Flynn here. Let's talk about Amazon affiliate marketing. I dove headfirst into this world a month ago, knowing nothing. I always wanted to earn passive income, and affiliate marketing seemed like a great way to do it. I was excited to learn the ropes and see what I could achieve. My background? Totally unrelated to this. I was nervous but determined. I knew with hard work, I could make this work. This essay is my 1-month progress report. I'll share my wins, my struggles, and everything in between. So buckle up and get ready to learn. This is my Amazon affiliate journey, condensed into one action-packed month. Let's dive in. First things first, I had to pick my battles. This wasn't just about choosing any random products, it was about finding a niche that resonated with me, something that I could talk about passionately and knowledgeably. I knew that if I wanted to be successful, I had to be genuinely interested in the niche I chose. This would not only make the process more enjoyable, but also more authentic for my audience. I needed a niche, something I was interested in and knew something about. I started by brainstorming a list of all the things I was passionate about. I wrote down everything from cooking to photography, but I kept coming back to one thing: the great outdoors. I love hiking, camping, and exploring nature. It's something that has always been a big part of my life, and I knew I could talk about it endlessly. I chose outdoor gear because I love hiking. The decision felt right. I could see myself creating content around this niche, sharing my experiences, and recommending products that I personally use and trust. Plus, the outdoor gear market is vast and full of opportunities. From backpacks to hiking boots, there are so many products that people need and want. It felt natural to talk about products I use and love. I knew that my enthusiasm would come through in my content, making it more engaging and trustworthy. People can tell when you're genuinely excited about something, and that authenticity is crucial in building a loyal audience. I started thinking about all the gear I use on my hikes and how I could share my experiences with others. Next up was choosing products to promote. Amazon's catalog is huge. I spent hours browsing through different categories, looking for items that stood out to me. It was overwhelming at first, but I knew I had to stay focused. I needed to find products that not only fit my niche, but also met certain criteria. I focused on a few key criteria: products with high ratings, decent prices, and were relevant to my niche. High ratings were important because they indicated that other customers were satisfied with the product. Decent prices were crucial because I wanted to recommend items that were affordable and offered good value for money. And of course, the products had to be relevant to my niche. There was no point in promoting something that didn't fit with my content. I wanted to recommend things I genuinely believed in. I knew that my reputation was on the line, and I didn't want to let my audience down. I wanted to build trust with my followers, and the best way to do that was by being honest and transparent. If I didn't believe in a product, I wouldn't recommend it. Simple as that. I made a list of about 10 products to start with. These were items that I had either used myself or had researched extensively. I felt confident that they were good choices and that my audience would find them useful. I knew that starting with a small, curated list would make it easier to manage and promote each product effectively. It felt good to have a clear focus. Having a defined niche and a list of products to promote gave me a sense of direction. I knew what I needed to do next, and I was excited to get started. The planning phase was over and it was time to take action. With my niche and product set, I was ready to move on to the next step: promoting. This was where the real work began. I had to create engaging content, build my audience, and find effective ways to showcase the products I had chosen. It was a daunting task, but I was ready for the challenge. I knew that with hard work and dedication, I could make it happen. The journey was just beginning, and I couldn't wait to see where it would take me. Content is king, right? I knew I had to create high-quality content to attract potential buyers. I started a blog and focused on writing detailed product reviews. I shared my personal experiences, the pros and cons, and even included photos and videos. Social media was my next stop. I shared my blog posts, engaged with other hiking enthusiasts, and even ran a small giveaway to boost engagement. It was all about getting the word out and driving traffic to my Amazon affiliate links. I experimented with different strategies to see what worked best. Some posts performed better than others. It was all about learning and adapting as I went along. The journey wasn't always smooth sailing. I faced some unexpected challenges along the way. One big hurdle was getting my website noticed. SEO was a whole new world for me. I learned about keywords, backlinks, and all sorts of technical stuff. It was overwhelming at times, but I took it one step at a time. I used free online resources and even invested in a few courses to up my SEO game. Another challenge was managing my time effectively. Creating content, promoting it, and learning new skills took a lot of effort. I had to be organized and disciplined to stay on track. Section 5. The numbers game, my first month's earnings report. So, the moment of truth. After a month of hard work, it was time to check my earnings. I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting much. Affiliate marketing takes time to gain traction, right? To my surprise, I had made a few sales. It wasn't a life-changing amount, but it was enough to light a fire under me. I had earned my first few dollars online, and it felt amazing. More importantly, I had gained valuable experience and learned so much. The earnings were a bonus, but the real reward was the knowledge I had gained. Section 6. The learning curve. Valuable lessons from my affiliate adventure. This month taught me more than I could have imagined. First and foremost, patience is key. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and consistency to see results. I also learned the importance of providing value. People can spot a sales pitch a mile away. Focus on creating content that genuinely helps your audience, and the sales will follow. Finally, I realized that learning never stops. The online world is constantly evolving. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to be a lifelong learner. Section 7. Tools of the trade resources that amplified my success. Along the way, I discovered some amazing tools and resources that made my life easier. First up, Canva. This design tool helped me create eye-catching graphics for my blog and social media. Next, Grammarly saved me from countless typos and grammatical errors. As a writer, this tool is a lifesaver. Finally, I couldn't have done it without Google Analytics. This free tool provided invaluable insights into my website traffic, audience demographics, and content performance. Section 8. Beyond the dollar signs. The unexpected perks of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing wasn't just about the money. It came with some unexpected perks too. I loved the flexibility it offered. I could work from anywhere with an internet connection. I also enjoyed the creative freedom. I got to choose my niche, my products, and my marketing strategies. It was incredibly empowering. But the best part? Connecting with like-minded people. I interacted with fellow hikers, bloggers, and entrepreneurs. It was amazing to be part of such a supportive community. Section 9. The Marathon Mindset. Building a Sustainable Affiliate Business. As my first month came to an end, I realized that this was just the beginning. Building a successful affiliate marketing business is a marathon, not a sprint. I'm committed to consistently creating high-quality content, engaging with my audience, and learning everything I can about this industry. My goal is to create a sustainable source of passive income that allows me to live life on my own terms. It's a journey, and I'm excited to see where it takes me. Section 10. Your affiliate adventure awaits. Embracing the journey. So, there you have it. My Amazon affiliate journey in a nutshell. It's been a wild ride of learning, experimenting, and growing. If you're thinking about starting your own affiliate marketing adventure, my advice is simple. Just go for it. Don't be afraid to dive in and learn as you go. The online world is full of opportunities. Embrace the journey, stay persistent, and never stop learning. Your affiliate adventure awaits.